Hey YouTube, it's Armando with the HiFi Brothers. Do you own a Roku TV? I bet there's one feature that you never knew existed and could be quite a game changer. Let's get to it. Alright everyone, well welcome to today's episode. What I'm going to be basically talking about is if you own a Roku TV and in a similar situation as me, having kids at home or don't have the ability to put a stereo on or listen to TV at high volumes because you're afraid of you might waking up other people in the house, just stumbled upon this just by searching into the Roku app, and I thought I would share this with other people out there who have Roku TVs who would think this is going to be very useful. So basically, you go on your app, and I'll have this up for you. I'll toggle this up. But if you go to the remote where you can have your phone and set it to where you can activate it as part of a remote control, you'll notice that there's a headphone icon at the bottom right corner. If you push that button, basically what happens is you will activate what is known as private listening. And what that does is it feeds the audio from whatever you're listening to on your TV right through your cell phone. So you can have your cell phone, let's say for me, for example, I have about 8 feet, 9 feet of distance between my TV and my sofa. And you know, I have to put the volume pretty loud for my TV. When I activate this at night, now the sound's coming from my cell phone. So I can have it literally right by my head and just listen to the audio straight from there. It doesn't have to be that loud. Sounds loud to me, but it actually isn't loud for the rest of the house. What's also great about this is if you have headphones, you can connect them right to your phone. Now you're really immersed without having to jeopardize everybody else that's in the house. So that's an awesome feature that I basically wanted to share with everybody. The good news too is it works off Wi-Fi audio, so there is essentially zero lag. If you didn't know about that, I'm glad I was able to share that. If you did already know about that, awesome. If there's any other tips about Roku TVs that you think that are worth mentioning, please comment below. But that's pretty much it. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And as always, keep it hi-fi.